Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Celero5G. The Celero5G will be an exclusive phone to Boost Mobile later this fall. Currently it is up for pre-order, so this was announced on Thursday by Dish and Boost Mobile. So this is their first exclusive phone, so that is pretty cool. It does look very nice in my personal opinion. So the phone is called Celero5G. I don't know if that's the name of the phone maker is Celero. I don't know. But it looks very nice in my opinion. That's just my opinion. So if you guys pre-order the Celero5G, y'all guys can get a year of Boost Mobile service if you guys pre-order the phone. So with the 1 year of service for Boost Mobile, that is based off the $50 plan with Boost Mobile. That includes unlimited talk, text, and data with 35 gigabytes of high-speed data, then 2G speeds after that. So pretty nice looking phone. So yeah, let's go ahead and check this out. So it says here, you have early access to the all-new Celero5G. Order now for just $49.99 plus tax and upgrade to America's fastest 5G network. Click on the blue button to redeem the exclusive discount. So yeah, it says the phone built for 5G speed. So Celero means speed and light, so that is pretty fucking cool. There's the phone right there on the front. It looks very nice. It says here, save $230 off retail price, which is $279.99 for retail price for the phone. But if you guys pre-order the phone, you guys can get this phone for $49.99 plus tax plus a year of Boost Mobile service. If y'all guys pre-order the Celero5G. So quick things about the phone here. It says stay connected with up to 2 days of battery life. Binge all your favorites with blazing fast 5G speeds. Capture spectacular shots with a 16 megapixel triple main camera. A large 6.517 inch HD plus display provides an immersive viewing experience. So pretty cool. There we know some specs on the phone, but not all of them. We also know that it has a 15-watt charging, 4,000 mAh battery, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, 2 TB micro SD expansion, and that's pretty much it for the specs right now. So it says here, online only, must use promo code, one time use, offer ends October 31st, which is Halloween. So if this does interest you, check it out. There's the map right there to see if T-Mobile is good in your area. So check to see if T-Mobile is good in your area before you're doing this. So yeah, and there's also the fine print down there, so read that as well. So this is a pretty cool offer that Boost and Dish is doing here with the Celero5G, which is their first exclusive phone. So pretty cool. So pre-order the Celero5G for $49.99 plus tax and get a year of Boost Mobile service, which is fucking insane, guys. That's pretty cool. So yeah, so pre-order the phone and get a year of Boost Mobile service. I think that's a pretty cool deal there, and I think a lot of people will probably jump on that. So yeah, so there it is, the Celero5G. It's coming this fall, guys, but it is currently up for pre-order. So pre-order the phone if it interests you. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it lets me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.